Assalamualaikum. It is me Ibrahim and welcome back to Describing by Ibrahim. So currently I am near the paddy field. You can see it is a paddy field. So basically why I have come here, I have come here to show the farmers are very busy to harvest the crops. Cause you know that last 2 days it was pouring. That's why lot of fields the rainy water has been stuck. So and if you notice, you can see that they are not using any instrument like harvesting machine. They are not using. That's why it is really difficult to harvest by themselves, but they are trying to harvest as much as possible because you know the weather in my city. Last 2 days it was heavy raining and kalboishakhi storm. That's why lot of fields crops has been damaged, so they are very busy hard to harvest. And you can notice that the paddy is lying because of kalboishakhi storm. And if I show you the harvesting, okay, if you notice, you can see they are harvesting crops, and it is really difficult to harvest in water land where paddy has been lying on the field. And if you notice around the field, you can see everyone is very busy to harvest, and it is really difficult to harvest when it was raining last 2 days and fields are not comfortable for standing. It is not comfortable. They cannot stand perfectly and they cannot harvest perfectly.